N-Track Studio.
Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to get started with N-Track Studio, an awesome app for music production. Whether you're recording a podcast or making beats, this is for you. Firstly, when you open the app, tap New Song. Choose a name and select the tempo and key if you want. You can always change it later. You can create a rhythm. To add a new track, tap the plus button, then choose either an audio track for voice or an instrument MIDI track for virtual instruments. You can record your favorite soundtrack by clicking the red button at the left-hand side. Then you do not need to worry about pasting it in your song. It does it immediately. You can then add any of the sounds you like by clicking audio, rhythm, loops, or instruments. As you can see, we have many variety of instruments. This is how it sounds. You can now play a little bit with the app to see how it works. I have now added a rhythm. Then we record it to make sure it saves in our music. You can now tap on the Tools sign at the top right to edit. You can cut, move, or loop clips by dragging. Use the mixer to adjust volume or effects like reverb and EQ. You can cut any part of your soundtrack and then move it by making it longer or shorter. Indeed, you can eliminate any part of your song that you don't like. Want to add some background music? Tap the loop browser icon and then drag a loop into your project. You can layer sounds easily like drums, synths, and many more. This app has a wide variety of instruments such as loops. Find one you really like and paste it. You only need to drag it and paste it on your music. Listen to it. You can add many more. When you're already happy with your mix and music, tap the export icon where you can save it as an MP3 or a WAV, or even share it directly to platforms. You can then put a name to it. You're then free to save it. And that's it for today. Now you know the basics of N-Track Studio. Go ahead and create your first track. If this helped, give it a like and happy producing. Bye!